So we have the first leaked image of the new DJI Mavic Pro 2. What's up everybody, this is Mike, and in today's video we'll talk about everything that we know about the upcoming DJI Mavic Pro 2. I want to start off this video by saying that none of this information that I'm going to share with you today has been confirmed by DJI or any other official source. However, most of this information that I'm sharing with you has been leaked by a very reputable source that has guessed right many times. That being said, if you're easily offended by rumors videos, if you don't like speculations and discussions of upcoming products and leaks, please click away from this video and let the rest of us have some fun and have some healthy discussions about the upcoming DJI Mavic Pro 2. And of course, first of all, for those of you that have stayed in the video, let me share the leaked image that we have from the new DJI Mavic Pro 2, as this is the most important thing that you probably want to see, and here it is right now. Unfortunately, there isn't that much to say about this photo except that it looks kind of like a mix between the Inspire 2 and the Mavic Air. It kind of looks like a fat Mavic Pro, to be honest. I'm not sure about the proportions. We can also see that the new shape of the Mavic Pro 2 will kind of be something like the Mavic Air, which I have right here. So the frame that we have here on the back of the Mavic Air is returning and looks very nice on the Mavic Pro 2. I can kind of see the new shape, the new look of the Mavic series being inspired by the Mavic Air. So hopefully the Mavic Pro 2 will be even sleeker and better looking than the Air that we have right here. Anyway, like I said, there isn't that much to say about the photo, as of course it's taken by a potato, so you can't really say anything about the quality of the shot. We are already used to those kind of potato shots from the leaked images. But I keep hearing about a release date during the NAB show in Las Vegas, which is between the 7th and the 12th of April. Who knows if that's the real release date, but I'm guessing that could be a good idea when DJI could release more information or just announce the DJI Mavic Pro 2. Now, we have quite a lot of different leaked informations and speculations about the Mavic Pro 2, and I'm just going to go through them one by one. So first of all, we know that the Mavic Pro 2 will try to fit all of the technology of the Phantom 4 Pro into a smaller shell. So basically it will pack the same power or even more power than the current Phantom 4 Pro, and that will make it the go-to drone for many people, even for professionals, I think, because that's just insane. The quality of the Phantom 4 Pro is, it's just great. So being able to achieve that in a smaller shell with a more portable drone would be just insane, and I'm really looking forward to hearing if we can have a 1-inch sensor of the camera. Hopefully we can have that and 4K 60 frames per second. This is something that I'm praying for. And I'm almost sure DJI will announce that in the Mavic Pro 2, as that's something that we are going to see in the Autel Evo later this year. So hopefully if they want to have some nice competition with them, they will try to incorporate these features. Now, what else we know? We know that OcuSync transmission technology will return in the Mavic Pro 2. Of course, just like the regular Mavic Pro, we'll have the OcuSync technology. We're expecting to have larger flight distance available for both CE networks and FCC networks. We are also expecting to see an obstacle avoidance in dark environments. So even if it's night outside, you're still going to be able to use the obstacle avoidance. And then we are hoping to see sensors on the top of the drone, so even if you're flying upwards, you can still be able to detect some obstacles, maybe some branches or anything else in your way. We'll have a new 3-axis gimbal design similar to the Mavic Air. So if you are familiar with the Mavic Air, we have a whole new design of the gimbal, which is now being protected quite well from this new gimbal clamp, which is easily removable. The current generation Mavic Pro, I wouldn't say it has the best gimbal design, so hopefully we can see something that has improved quite a lot by the time the Mavic Pro 2 is released, and something that will protect the gimbal, and it will be easier to remove or put back together. So a new design of the 3-axis gimbal would be great. We're expecting to see a new propulsion system that will make the motors bigger than the Mavic Pro. So that will make also for a more extended flight time. We're expecting to see something along the lines of 30 to 35 minutes, maybe 32 minutes of flight time for the Mavic Pro 2. Of course, the new batteries will not be compatible with the older Mavic, so you will see a completely new design just like the Mavic Air. So you won't be able to use your old batteries on the Mavic Pro 2, but that's to be expected. The top speed of the Mavic Pro 2 will also be around 72 kilometers in sport mode, just like the Phantom 4 Pro. We'll probably have a 1-inch sensor. I really hope so, with a 28mm lens. Like I said, obstacle avoidance will be in the front, the back and the bottom, and hopefully on the top of the drone. We'll have the same type of remote controller as the Mavic Pro, but with added new features and improvements, such as the removable controller sticks. This is one of the best things that we have seen from the new design of the remote controller for the Mavic Air. So hopefully we'll see that. Makes sense to see that in the Mavic Pro 2 as well. We don't really know for sure, but we're also expecting an increased price point, something along the lines of $1,300 for the regular package and $1,700 for the Fly More combo, which is more expensive than the current Mavic Pro, but having heard all of the features that we're probably going to get in the Mavic Pro 2, it makes sense to see an increased price over, even though I am not a huge fan of this type of information. And one last thing, which we're probably going to see in the Mavic Pro 2, is all of the features that the Mavic Air has brought to us, like the APAS or the new improved gesture control technology. It will going to be transferred to the Mavic Pro 2, so that will come to that drone as well. So basically that will be a mix between the Mavic Air with all the new features of the Air, a mix of the Phantom 4 Pro, and the beast of the quality of that camera that it has. That will be mixed in a drone that will be probably just a bit bigger than the current Mavic Pro, and that will come at an increased price point. So that's everything that we know about the Mavic Pro 2 up until now. Once again, it's all leaked information and rumors and speculations, so it's not confirmed by DJI or any other official source, but I have my reasons to believe that many of those features will be coming to the Mavic Pro 2 in just a couple of weeks, hopefully. That being said, please drop a like on this video and let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the upcoming Mavic Pro 2? Do you plan to get it, or you're going to skip and wait for the Mavic Pro 3 or the Phantom 5 or the Spark 2 or the Air 2 or any other drone? Please let me know in the comments below. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to say, and I'll catch you in my next video. Ciao!